Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Skype. To know how to find the solution about Skype app, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you will enter two apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this page you will enter to the window of Skype and you will enter. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will go to click on storage. After that we click clear case. You will go to your Wi-Fi and you can turn off your Wi-Fi, and then you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.